Greetings, I'm Dev the Developer.
And I'm Glitch.
So far, our elements have followed the normal flow. They stack one after another, but sometimes you need to break the rules. Today, we're looking at the CSS positioning model, how to place elements exactly where you want them, even if it means moving them out of the grid entirely. Positioning is controlled by the position property. It has four main modes: relative, absolute, fixed, and sticky. Glitch, let's set up three simple nodes.
Deploying 3 test nodes, static and predictable. For now, I'll drop the HTML first. And the base styles for our nodes.
Now, let's move node 2 using relative positioning. It moves the element relative to where it would have been.
Position relative, shifting node beta 20 pixels down and 50 pixels right. It shifted, but look at node 3, it didn't move. It's as if node 2 is still occupying its original space. It's a phantom presence. The grid coordinates are still reserved.
Exactly. Relative positioning moves the visual but preserves the space. Now, let's look at absolute. This one is different. It removes the element from the flow entirely.
Position absolute, tactical removal from the normal flow. Oh, node 3 just jumped up. It's occupying the space where node 2 used to be, and node 2 is floating in the top left. It's gone rogue dev. It's detached from the hierarchy.
Absolute elements are positioned relative to their nearest positioned ancestor. Right now, that's the whole page. Let's put a container around them and make that relative.
Wrapping the nodes in a command center container. And making the command center relative to anchor the absolute node. The rogue agent has been recaptured. Node 2 is now 20 pixels from the top and 50 pixels from the left of the container. It reports only to its commanding ancestor. I like this level of structured subordination.
Now, let's try fixed. It's relative to the browser window itself.
Position fixed, locking node beta to the window. Immobile, stationary, it ignores the scrolling of the masses, a permanent fixture in the user interface. No matter how much data you scroll through, node 2 will be watching from the exact same spot.
Finally, sticky. It's a hybrid. It stays in the flow until you scroll past it, then it sticks to the top.
A dynamic deployment. It flows until it hits the threshold, then it holds its ground. Very tactical dev. I can see why you'd use this for headers or navigation.
Try building a layout with a fixed header and a sticky sidebar. Use absolute positioning to place a close button in the corner of a card. Positioning is the power to put anything anywhere. Don't just watch it, do it.